Penampang District is in the West Coast Division of Sabah, Malaysia. Its population was estimated to be around 93,616 in 2010, with ethnic Kadazan as the majority. The town has virtually become a suburb of Kota Kinabalu and is considered as part of the Greater Kota Kinabalu area. There was a time when the number of wild animals was quite large, when the human population and their interference with the animals were to the minimum and there was no issue with their safety or conservation. But, with the increase in the population, followed by the development of farming, industrial and other forms of development activities taking place in the district, the number of wild animals has gradually decreased and several animal species have abandoned their habitat. However, whistle your way into the Wild of Penampang and with a bit of luck, you will still be able to see and hear the presence of some wild animals, albeit lesser in numbers.